If by chance you thought it was bad that convicted felons are working as ObamaCare navigators, brace yourselves. Now, stunning new information that a convicted terrorist, convicted in the bombing death of 2, has been working as a navigator. That's right. How does that happen? The National Review's Jillian Melcher breaking that story. She joins us. Nice to see you back, Jillian. Jillian, who is this navigator and what was she convicted of?
Well, she was a member of the Popular Front for the Liberation of Palestine. It's essentially a terrorist group founded in the wake of the Six-Day War. And she immigrated to Chicago, but before that, Israel had convicted her for her role in a bombing. What basically happened was this particular terrorist group sneaked a bomb in a box of candy into a grocery store in 1969. It blew up. It killed 2 young men who were university students who were just picking up groceries for a hiking trip. She was convicted, spent 10 years in prison, was released as part of a prisoner release, and then she immigrated to the U.S. and became an ObamaCare navigator.
How did she, I mean, there was no problem with her getting into the United States. I understand that she's actually become an American citizen.
That's right, and she's being indicted right now. They say that she lied on her application, and she stands to lose her citizenship. She may spend 10 years in a U.S. prison before that. But I think it's a significant national security risk, and it's also a significant risk to anybody that's signing up for Obamacare in Illinois. It's just incomprehensible that someone with this record would be there.
Isn't Illinois one of the states that does background checks on navigators?
They sure do, and I've been able to pull the FBI background check on her. To their credit, it doesn't mention anything about this prior conviction. So I think it's really more of a national security scare that she was able to get in the country by lying to begin with.
All right, well, she's not currently a navigator, right? I mean, when they did find out, they did move swiftly?
That's right. In the wake of her indictment for lying on her application papers, the Department of Insurance found out about it, revoked her license. So that was buried on their disciplinary report.
All right, just aside that, revoking the license, is that sort of some sort of quiet little procedure that's done? I take it that there wasn't sort of a public announcement that this had happened.
You know, it was public record, but they definitely didn't make a fanfare of it.
All right. Now, is there any reason to believe that the rest of the navigators are lickety-split clean in Illinois or any other state?
You know, it's tough to say. I've definitely found several felons who are convicted in the U.S. With histories of financial crimes. I mean, I just think overall this is a program with not enough oversight. Federal government doesn't require background checks. In Illinois, clearly, even a background check doesn't cut it always.
Jillian, as always, thank you. Great work. Thank you.